In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get a proof of payment from the Capitec app. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can find the option to request a proof of payment inside of the latest version of the Capitec mobile banking app. So make sure you have the latest version available of the app before you start. After you update the app through the Play Store or the App Store, open it up and sign into the account that you want to check the proof of payments for. When you are signed in, you should see a list of all of your accounts on the home page. All you have to do is select the account that has the transactions that you want to get the proof of payment for, and when you access the account page, you will be able to see a list of your balance and finally all the transactions that have been made, including money in and money out. I recommend switching over to the Money Out tab, but you can click on any transaction that you see on any category. When you click on a transaction, you will be able to see its details. As you can see over here, if you scroll down on the transaction details, you will be able to see the Send Payment notification. Keep in mind that not all transactions have this button, but as long as you click on a transaction that has this button, you will be able to select it and include an SMS or email that you will be receiving the proof of payment from. So include the contact information, and as soon as you receive it, this is how it's going to look like. You will then be able to share this with whoever you want, and all the information will be inside of it. I hope I was able to help you on how to get a proof of payment from the Capitec app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.